Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are spending a relaxed day in Opatija, a beautiful coastal town on the Adriatic Sea. Let's start the day as usual with a great cup of coffee. It's the perfect way to ease into the morning and truly wake up. Another thing I love doing here is exercising outdoors, feeling the crisp morning air while I move and stretch. And of course, we can't skip breakfast. A delicious sandwich is just what we need to fuel the day ahead. Now it's time to head into Opatija. As soon as we arrive, we are welcomed by the charm of the old town, full of history, character and elegance. We just arrived in Opatija. It's actually almost 1 o'clock, but the beach is not that busy yet, probably because it's not that sun. Kind of cloud today, but it's warm, so this is good. We go swimming later, but for now we are just resting a little bit. So far not so many people, but I'm pretty sure later on will be full. We have this kind of chair. It's perfect for just lying down. See, it's not that busy yet, so the umbrellas are all closed. A lot of clouds. What is actually good, because we can feel the warm sun, but not the heat. So we are at the beach, and my husband ordered a cappuccino. Who comes to the beach to drink cappuccino? If we take a look closer, you can see at the end of the hill, Rijeka. It's not so far. Now it's time to refresh ourselves in the sea. Swimming here is amazing. There are no big waves, so it feels like being in a giant natural pool. The only challenge for me is the water. It's a bit cold at first, but so worth it. Clouds are finally gone. We are having now a real summer day at the beach. It's still not so much people, but good enough for swimming. So we go for lunch and just enjoy the rest of the day. Maybe too much. Can I mix? Já sei pedaço de língua agora, só me falta sonhar. Já sei onde ir. Agora só me falta sair. This song is kind of old. I was really young when this song was launched.
Never heard.
So famous in Brazil. The only huge problem in Opatija is the sun goes down super quickly because of the mountains. So we just move again the place. We were over there, but now it's a lot of shadow. We came here to catch the last 20 minutes of sun. Something really nice here. They have this, I can call like changing room. You can get in and change yourself. If you have a wet bikini, you just change for something more comfortable. And you can find this all over the beach. With the sun slowly setting and our clothes dry, we are ready to explore the city. Let's start with a peaceful walk along to the beachfront. The view is simply breathtaking, a perfect blend of sea, sky, and mountains. Leaving the seaside for a moment, let's treat ourselves to a well-deserved dessert. As we stroll through the city, we discover lovely shops and beautiful souvenirs. Perfect gifts for the people we love, or just keep us in memory for this lovely place. Back to the beach, we find plenty of food stands, refreshing drinks, and the vibrant energy that makes Opatija so special. As the day comes to the end, it's time to head back to Rijeka. I hope you enjoyed this peaceful summer day in Opatija. Let me know in the comments what you like the most and tell me what's your idea of a perfect summer day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!